When is the right time to set up an estate plan? I get this question a lot, and a lot of people keep delaying it, but I always say any adult over the age of 18 needs an estate plan. And here's why. Once you're 18, you may not have a lot of assets in your name, but now your parents can no longer be your default decision makers in case of incapacity or death. So what that means is that you're putting it into the state's hands to make decisions for you if you became incapacitated, and your parents will not have access to anything. If you're in your early 20s, again, or in your 20s, if you don't have a lot of assets yet, all you need is just that foundational estate plan, making sure that you're designating the people that you would want to be your decision makers. Later in life, as you get into your 30s and maybe you're getting married, buying your first home, maybe you're having a kid, that's when you actually need to make sure you have a plan for all of these new assets for your spouse, and most importantly for the new kids that you're bringing into this world. In your 50s and 60s, you're building wealth and you're looking at retirement, so it makes sense to secure all of the wealth. And then as you get older in life, if you needed long-term care, or if you're not sure if you're going to retire in the same state where you live, it makes sense to create a plan that will work for that scenario. And guess what's the great news about working with a firm like ours is that you can create your estate plan at 18 or 20 and then have the ongoing guidance from us and update it as you go through life. Because here we will meet with you every 3 years and make sure that we're putting in the changes in place as your life. So if I've convinced you that you need an estate plan, simply schedule a free consultation with us to find out how the process works and what the next steps would be.